Right, welcome back guys. Today, well, I seem to have sprung a leak on the old van, so going to investigate that. I think by the looks of it, where it's dripping down at the front, could be the cross, well, from the cross member there, so it looks like it's coming from the radiator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the belly pan there, jack it up, drop the belly pan, and we'll have a look. Right, you can see I've got the grill off, very easy to do, just a few screws and some bolts at the top. Plenty of videos online showing you how to do it if you're not sure. Right, so I think the next step here is to take off the air conditioning unit, drain the coolant, and then take those hoses off, and hopefully that should just slide out with the fan, and then I can change the fan afterwards, but we'll see. Also, before you order your radiator, make sure you measure it and get the right one. There's two sizes. Euros only supply the smaller version, and I needed the bigger one. I got that from GSF. I'll leave a link in the description below for you. So once it's finished draining, you want to disconnect the two pipes here on the right hand side. These two big fat ones coming down from the radiator. Can't mistake them. So you want to disconnect them and drain. Make sure you still got your bucket with you, because there's still going to be excess coolant in your radiator. And then while you're still under the front of the vehicle, just look up and you'll be able to see these two little connectors, electrical connectors. Disconnect them, and then that's almost ready to go. You just have these two Torx either side of the aircon there. Disconnect them, and then disconnect your radiator temperature switch just there. And that's it, it's ready to go. Just lift it straight out. Right, so once it's filled up, what you want to do is, because there is going to be air trapped inside the radiator, you want to release this little bleed valve here. That's the location, so release that, and then you can top up the coolant filler tank as required, obviously following the manufacturer's guidelines on how to bleed the air system.